How to create URL links for your videos. So first you want to open up your browser. So for example, Google Chrome right here. Click on these dots to open up the Google Apps and then click on Google Drive and it should take you to Google Drive. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account before opening this so you can get signed in directly to your Drive automatically. And then you will need to upload the video that you want to create a URL for. So for example, this video that I'm going to drag right here, and just wait for this to finish uploading. As you can see at the bottom right hand side right here, it says it's uploading and it shows you the progress. Now once it's finished uploading, you want to click on this video right here to open it up. And you should notice a share button at the top right hand side. So you want to click on that share button and then under general access, make sure to switch it to anyone with the link, and then simply just copy the link and send it to anyone who can basically open up the link and see the video like this. You can basically send this to anyone of your friends over Discord or whatever, and they can open up the link and watch the video directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.